Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I
talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
Good morning, guys. It is the morning of my birthday. I literally just took a shower, and I combed my hair to the back. Did my skincare. My skin is still like this. I went to the doctor on Monday. Today is Thursday, the 30th of October. So the plan for the day is that I'm going to a wine farm. We are going to a wine farm. I invited a couple of my friends, but they can't make it because they're working, obviously, and it was a bit of a short notice. But one of my friends is coming, and we'll just enjoy the day, man. Because thing is, I can't celebrate in the weekend, and that's because so my birthday is on a Thursday, and I can't do it like today in the evening because wine farms close early. And I can't do it on a Friday because it's still work day. Saturday is my last day in South Africa, so I need to pack and make sure that everything of mine is in line. And then Sunday I'm leaving, unfortunately, so I am choosing to just celebrate today and do everything today that I can because I can't do anything in the weekend. Anyway, you guys, happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, darling. I hope this year brings you so much favor and this new age brings you so much blessings and every heart's desires that you have. Happy birthday, my darling. I am your biggest supporter. Yeah, guys, I'm thinking of installing my hair quick. I'm gonna do like a 5x5, but this 5x5 closure over here, but I want to, you'll see how I'll install it quick, so that we can, like, when my friend is here we can leave because the appointment is for, the reservation is for 12 o'clock. That's wine tasting, and then after wine tasting we sort of like gonna have like a tour at the wine estate. It's Durbanville Hills, the Trangram restaurant. And we'll have a tour and then we'll have lunch as well, then later on we'll leave. So I just wanted to say hi to you guys and happy birthday to me and welcome to my new age. Sanda's not 21 gaba. You see my nails? Did you see my nails? So the guy that does my nails is in Cape Town CBD. I've changed salons because it doesn't matter. But I've changed salons and he did my nails. He's actually not expensive. I found him on TikTok. He's in Cape Town CBD, so quite close to my house. And he's 200. He charged me 280. So yeah. If you want longer nails, perhaps it's gonna be more expensive. But for me, this is the size that I chose to go for, and something natural. Okay, guys, wig installed. So now I'm just doing my makeup. So I'm using Lancome over here. I like the coverage of this foundation. The coverage is good. Like, I've graduated from like Mini Q foundation, graduated from Revlon. Now I think this is sort of like one of my expensive products in my makeup bag, and it does so well. So I always advise, like, if you're starting out with makeup, try maybe the cheaper makeups, cheaper products. Don't just go like in with expensive products, especially if you don't know how to do your makeup and you're still learning. You don't want to go ahead and buy something expensive and maybe that you won't even end up, if you can't do your makeup, you won't even end up using it because you'll need to go to makeup artists. Just try out small and then just grow like gradually. For me, I want to go back to my Mini Q foundation as well, and that's because it was such a great product. I don't know when last I checked it out. Maybe I should go there and sort of like check it out. It was Naked. It was a foundation called Naked by Mimi Q. Oh, it was the best. Child, the coverage was so nice, so good. Like, it was top tier. I loved it up until I just thought, okay, let me upgrade, you know. Yeah. Done installing my hair. Guys, yesterday I went to, so after doing my nails, I quickly had to do my visa. I was quite surprised as like how fast someone can do their visa. Well, it needed to be an express visa, so it's coming out on Friday. I haven't mentioned which country I'm going to. I'm actually going to China, guys, with the embassy of China here in South Africa. So they've invited 10 South African influencers to go and experience life in China, and also the culture of the people in China. Also, we're going to see like the stuff like what's the word that I'm looking for? The invention of China. Things that, like, you know, like they've got like new AI stuff that are going on now. So we're going there. I don't want to like sort of like give you all the details so that you're also surprised when we're seeing it together. So the thing I like about this trip is that it's not like a skincare brand where we'll be sitting like in one place. In this particular one, we'll be doing like a specific touristy things, visiting tourist destinations, things that are wonders to China and all of that. So that's why I'm super happy that I was actually like invited by the embassy so that I can be a tourist in another country and I can experience everything that the country has to offer. We'll also be moving like from cities within China, just to see like the different stuff that China has to offer, etc, this and that. Yeah, child, I'm super excited and I'm happy. One person guessed it in my previous video. So yeah, they said I think China or Thailand. Yeah, so yeah, I am going to China. Guys, can you see the coverage of this? So beautiful. So, and you saw that I didn't even like use too much product. It's just like a little bit of product and you just work your way up. Yeah, I think that's cute. Okay guys, done with the makeup and also the hair. So just going in with the spray now. Ooh, the white spray is about to finish, child. Oh, so that I don't have makeup that is melting. Yeah, so that it sticks together and we're together. I think this is one of the best like setting sprays, and it's from Shein. Wow, it's great quality, I must say that. Let me get dressed and then I'll show you like my outfit of the day. It's 10:30 now, so literally in 30 minutes we have to be out. I don't know why I thought it would be a great idea to do my hair and my makeup on the same day. Don't know, child, but you know what? I think I'm still on time and still on track. I almost forgot to put on roll on because of this up and down that I'm doing here. Ooh, imagine, son. Otherwise, I can't even put on what's this perfume now because of my skin. Like I react to perfume. So now imagine not having roll on deodorant at all. Hey, I can go. I am in. But okay. Outfit of the day. I'm wearing this lovely dress. I actually got this dress like on my last Shein haul. I think this was like about 5 months ago, but I decided to wear it today. Got this dress from Shein. Earrings are from Shein. I've got this Cartier bracelet. So I've got this Cartier bracelet. So I've got two of them, but I just like mixing this diamante one with the plain one, so I just mix them together. I've also got this lovely Pascal watch over here. Shoes, I got these shoes from Chinatown like a while ago. Let me show you. You'll see the outfit probably like when I'm outside because I'm in my bathroom now and I can't show you like properly, but yeah, that's the outfit. Not sure if I mentioned that the earrings are from Shein as well. yeah, makeup by me, hair by me, and I'm carrying my lovely bag over here. You guys, I've got these Birkin bags available. Well, they're not Birkins, they're inspired, yeah, bags. They don't have like the logo here. I've got every kind that you want. So if you want it, let me know. You can send me a message on my WhatsApp. You will find it in the description box, so check it out. Such a lovely bag, such a beautiful one. I'm also bringing in Kelly's. Yeah, I'm bringing in Kelly's for this November December season. Yeah, anyway guys, this is my lovely outfit and I'm ready to go now. So everything is fine, everything is perfect. It means that it is time to go. Oh, I went in with a little bit of this what is this again? Lancome. Went in with this Lancome perfume. I think this is in the new summer range. It's vanilla something, forgot vanilla what, but it's lovely perfume. Didn't go in it like on my body, I just went on it like on my bottom part, and that's because I don't want it to touch my skin or to be closer to my skin. But yeah guys, this is it. You'll see me probably like at the wine estate. You'll see the outfit correctly over there. Anyway, let's go guys. I don't want us to get late. I can't even decide what car we're using today. Shall we use mine? Maybe. I don't know. I'm comfortable with driving my car. Yeah, okay, Miss Summer.
Cheers to the baby girl. Cheers to the baby girl.
Hey guys, we are at Devon Hills and I'm having a lovely time. Having my last one, last wine, and this is dessert wine. It's super sweet.
I've never had a child
like literally, I cannot finish my wines. I've got like everything over here. And on my table, we're having like political conversations. It's so cute, it's so nice. Like I'm engaging, but I just need to speak to my people. Like, hi, Janine is Janine. How are you? It's so good. Devonville Hills, guys. Devonville Hills. If you are coming to Cape Town, make sure to visit Devonville. Make sure to visit Devonville Hills. It's got a restaurant, it's got a pizza joint, and it's also got a wine tasting. I'm currently at their wine tasting section at the moment, and I'm enjoying it. We're having a lovely day and lovely time. I even forgot it's my birthday, honestly. What a time to be alive. Just enjoying life with my people and having good conversations. Guys, this is the view from the wine cellar over here. Views, child, views. Yeah, this is mine. It is.
It is?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay.
I just want to say something.
Oh.
So this is the visa, right?
Yeah. This is everything.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay.
Are we done?
We are going, guys.
We're going to China. Let's go.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. So clean. My baby going to China. China awaits you, baby. Yeah, guys, we just finished at the Chinese embassy now. We got a visa and my baby is going to China.
To China. Let's go.
Chinese girl. All right, yeah. Older, with that.
Ah!
China life, man.
Yay!
Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want